Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, let's just get into it. We could see that Bitcoin right now on the daily time frame looking quite good, quite bullish. We did get that green dot on that yesterday's candle. Today's candle looking even more bullish with a -5 and a 16. So things are looking quite good overall. We did get a pullback right now, and like I said yesterday in the Discord, I did say we could pump to 42,000. Exactly, we pumped to 42,500, almost reaching a resistance box before reversing down. Now breaking below this 41,500 mark line. And if we do come down to lower levels, we still have a lot of support coming in at 39,500. And again, we still have this resistance box on the BTC-TA2 chart, which is accessible on the Discord. You guys can see we are going to probably come, if we do start to come down, we still have support at 40,000 and 39,600. So obviously lots of bullish news with that leaked information yesterday from the Biden executive order, which was quite bullish for Bitcoin. Again, mixed emotions. Some people thought it was bearish. Some people thought it was bullish. Again, regulation can come for crypto. So we're just going to have to see how the markets digest that news. Gold today coming down to 1976 on this new daily candle. But today, big down day for gold. Fell from 2050 all the way down to 1970. And now we're starting to come back even lower, 1976. So overall, we have some CPI data coming out tomorrow. It's expected to be 7.9 is the forecast. The previous month was 7.5 year over year. I expect it to be higher than 7.9. And again, just to show you guys what's been happening lately for gold and Bitcoin, every time we have the CPI data come out on the CPI date, so all these yellow lines right here are the release dates for the past CPI data. We've seen gold get an explosion towards the upside from the high inflation, and then traders will sell it off right after, and will start to go back down as traders think that if inflation is this high, the Fed is going to have to raise interest rates significantly higher to fight it. Yet we only have a 0.25 rate hike coming in March, and we have inflation probably going to go over 8%. So you tell me what's gonna happen. And now then again, November 10 or November 9, on the daily time frame it's November 10, but we can see right here when the CPI data was released, we had again an explosion towards the upside. Gold goes up, and then we sell off right after a couple of days, 1 day, 2 days later, we start to sell off to lower lows. And then again, right here, CPI data comes up. This one we did go up, but if we didn't actually come back down. So this was a little bit so surprising for me as well in December. And then again, right here, January CPI data came out. We pumped up towards the upside, and then we started to come back down after that. Now in February is where things started to change, when gold CPI data came out, and it was just volatility during that day. We could see right here, price action was going a little bit crazy, and then we broke out towards the upside. And we broke out of this major trend line, as we could see right here. It was resistance for a long time, and then we broke out of it. And then we have March 10, which is the CPI release date tomorrow. So let's just see what's gonna happen and see how the market digests that news. Anyways, let's get back into it. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum starting to come down as well, following Bitcoin as always. If we do come down, we still have some support at 2630 and 2578. So if you want to play some longs, probably 2578 would be the safer bet. But again, always set your stop loss so you don't get wrecked. And let's take a look once again at the EMA ribbons right here. We could see that we are still underneath the 21 weekly. So in my opinion, I'm still holding on to my bearish calls that we're going to go to lower levels. And again, if we do get there, it's good, because then you guys can buy some Bitcoin at lower prices, which is significantly cheaper than right now, which is at 40,879. So right now it looks like we're gonna get like a big pump towards the upside. You could take a look at the MACD right here on the weekly time frame. We're starting to curl back up, or it looks like the stock RSI is about to cross as well. Excuse me, I'm burping a little bit. But again, in 2018, it looked quite bullish as well, right? The RSI started to come back up. Price action came back up. We had a big wick to, 446. Then we came back down to 371. and then just about, just when the RSI was about to cross and the MACD was about to cross over, we had that big dump, 50% dump all the way down towards the downside, 60, or depends on where you measure, but yeah, this was a huge dump, 50% correction right there. So is that something that's going to be happening in the coming weeks for Bitcoin? Well, we're just gonna have to see about that, because right now, give it maybe a couple more weeks, and we're gonna get the Bitcoin coming back up, maybe back up to 44,000, and or maybe we're just gonna trend sideways from there on, and maybe after that on April 4th, like I said before, I made that call. I placed my bets. I said, based on this theory that I had, decreasing time frames for the dump time. So back in 2014, we took 12 bars to take a 50% dump right here, and back in 2018 it took us 8 bars, which is 8 weeks to dump down 50% after the money flow crossed into the red. And right here we're about to cross over to the red. Is this going to take us 4 weeks to dump towards the downside? Well, if we do, then get your bags ready. Get your cash ready. get ready to buy the dip. Again, this is not financial advice, and this is a lot of speculation, so don't take this to the bank. This is not a 100% guarantee. This is just something I've been thinking about and looking at closely. So let me know what you guys think of this analysis. If you guys want to join the Discord, definitely recommend that. It's good for you guys. You guys get access to all the charts, get access to everyone trading all day long, and get access to a lot of Daniel's charts as well, which are even better than mine, I should say. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support. You guys have been awesome. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. If you guys want to support the channel, you guys can sign up for BitGet Trading. Also, Geotech, I'm going to send you some money. He had a transfer problem with BitGet. So if you have any transfer problems with BitGet, just join Discord and let me know, and I'll get you your refund back. Peace.